Hi, I'm John Trischler, and in this video we're going to talk about our wire harness adapters and what they're for. So when you get one of our wire harnesses from our plug-and-play wire harness system, you're going to have a common style 3-way weather pack connector on there with your 3 wires, because some lights have backlights, some lights don't, so we're prepared in all aspects with that. Now, depending on the light that you get, for example, we have Baja designs here that uses a 2-way weather pack connector. We have a Diode Dynamics here that uses a 4-way DT connector, and we have a Rigid here, for example, that uses a 2-way DT connector adapter. Well, depending on which light that you get, you're going to want to match to that light. So our different adapters are going to match to each light, and then they're going to plug into our harness just like so. So if you have a 2-way weather pack, for example, that would plug into your Baja Designs light, just like this, then you're going to match that up to our harness, and you'll notice that the white wire is eliminated. However, if you have a Diode Dynamics light, or a light that has 3 wires like this, and you plug it into our harness, you're going to notice that that backlight wire is going to be utilized, and then that's going to plug right into your Diode Dynamics light, just like this. Rigid, for example, on the D series light, uses a 2-way DT connector. So we're going to plug that right in to our DT connector on our Rigid light. No matter which light you have, no matter which brand, your harness is never going to go out of date because it is adaptable to any light, make, model, or brand. In contrast, let's say that you have a light that does not have a connector on it at all. You just have bare wires. In that case, you can use our add-on connector pack. You can simply put the pins and the connector on your bare wires on your light, and then that is also going to plug right into your harness. If you did change makes, models, or brands of lights, you can unplug that, and again, these adapters are going to still work right on your harness so that you don't have to get a new harness every time you get a new light, make, or model. And that's what our adapters are for. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit spvparts.com, and we'll see you on the next video.